Hello and welcome to Real Auto Reviews. My name is Syed Shiraz Shah and today I've got the Volvo EX30's headlight review for you, and I hope you can see the car. And of course I'll drive the car and show you the main bit, which is the headlights, but I have to show you a couple of things else. See, I hope you'll be able to see. Okay, so the puddle lamps, they do not project an image or a logo really, okay, but they do project this line. I hope you can see that. In fact, I hope you can see this. I'll try that again because I noticed when I opened the door. Okay, so unlock. All right, now we'll focus on the headlights. All right, did you see that? That happened. Now let me quickly show you the tail lamps as well, and I will switch on the rear fog lamps as well. Before that, let me show you the rear. And that newspaper is, of course, I've put it there because, you know, just to make sure that this mat stays clean. I had one there as well. So yeah, I take care of media units the way I would take care of my own car. In fact, I take care of media units a lot more than I would with my own vehicle. So exterior lights, this was yes sir, twins. Okay, two fog lamps. Of course, in each one of them there are multiple LEDs. So there are two fog lamps, two rear fog lamps. Most of the car nowadays, in fact for quite some time, have had just one. So good to see that Volvo has given two. And you know what, I'll, of course, in the review you'll get to see you know, the car from all sides. This is the favorite you know, angle of my car, and in the review you'll know why. Okay, in the daytime I'll tell you why. In fact, even during the night it looks brilliant. So why not give you a look from the front as well. This is not his, is this is how it looks from the front. Okay, now let's drive and show you the headlights from your point of view when you will be driving. Okay, in fact, let me show you, okay, the ambient lighting right now. Okay, so what, this is northern light, Nordic twilight, midsummer, how do you pronounce that, archipelago, correct me if I'm wrong, forest bath, off. So even on off, this would be it. Okay, so I prefer this one, northern light. So yeah, now let's go to our usual spot and start. Alright, so this is how the road looks, and ta-da! That's the low beam. That's the low beam plus high beam. Low beam plus high beam. Low beam only. Low beam plus high beam. We'll leave it on auto for some time. And here we go. Hey buddy, what are you doing this late at night? Close. Yes, it went on to the high beam and it went back. Doggy, what are you doing? Scavenging? Can't you see the Volvo? These dogs. Oh, see, yes, it works flawlessly. And even the birds too, they become so used to of the traffic. Yes, it is switching on to the high beam absolutely flawlessly. Okay. Still on high beam. Now it's gone back to low beam. Gone back to high beam. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Good job, Volvo. Good job. Low beam. Wow. Gone back to high beam. Yo, PEA, beautiful. So you should not be doing that. I don't do that either. But right now, okay, it's what? Over 1 o'clock. And I know my area, so I know when there would be traffic and when there would be. Still, you should not be doing that. I'm essentially trying to, you know, doing this for the interest of time. In the interest of time, I do not want this to be a 30-minute video. Okay, I want to now wind up in the next 5 minutes max. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes. Good boy. I'll just take a U-turn from here and wind up the video in the next perhaps 2 to 3 minutes. See, by now you have a good idea about the Volvo EX30's headlights. Alright, they're nice, they're nice. Doggies, Dogashores. Come on, come on, come on. Yes. Thou did not disappoint. Beautiful handling. What? That was at 100. It did not feel like that. Wow. Well, I'll do that once more, okay? On that specific corner. Okay, this will take 3 to 4 more minutes because during the daytime, okay, I would never get this much, you know, this less traffic or almost zero traffic on that stretch. That was my exit speed essentially. I was not taking the corner at 100. That was my exit speed. This was supposed to be a headlight video, Shiraz, but I'm sure the viewers are not complaining. Brake. Yes, now I'm increasing the throttle. That was the corner, so we'll see. And the suspension is marvelous. Brake, 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 progressive braking. Still on the brakes, still on the brakes, and throttle. Woo! Lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh my God. Oh, it went to high beam. Yes. Okay, Shiraz, easy. Just yo. $120. Brake, 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 brake. Come off the brake. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Yeah, guys, so that was it. Okay, I hope you like the video of the brakes, and do hit that like button. Do subscribe if you haven't already. And did I ask you to hit that like button and do that hype thingy as well? Okay. And if you have a question, leave a comment. If you don't have a question, even then please leave a comment and tell me if you like the video. And I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. And in my excitement, I forgot to show you the camera. Okay, Of course, I would show it to you during the daylight, okay, in the main review video, but I ought to show it to you right now as well. Okay, this is the rear view. All right, and that's the front view. All right. All right, bye bye.